Mike.
Yeah, that's right. We had a couple of showers. Most of them are spotty, but we did have thunderstorms that just blossomed in the afternoon heat, rapidly developed out to the west and quickly diminished just the same. That was in Roane County, Loudoun County, part of Morgan, in Ray, and McMinn counties too, in Meigs. But see, the radar is clear from any return in those areas. But we do have a thunderstorm that has gotten severe into Knox County. That one is producing torrential rain. It's brief, but it is still producing very heavy downpours. Some lightning, not as frequent as the storms that happen back toward the west. And these are generally moving to the northeast at about 5-10 miles an hour, so not moving very fast at all. Even around Pigeon Forge, we have some pretty good downpours. Here's the estimation to show you how much rain we have gotten in some of these storms. Over 2 inches out toward Rockwood, near Lenoir City, just outside of town. And also about 1/3 of an inch of rain near Pigeon Forge. And we're getting about 1 inch of rain near downtown, but of course that's going to be bumped up once those rain showers go through. And then up to the north, up toward Rogersville. We did have a storm produce about 1.5 inches of rain. We did get several trees down due to storm reports of damaging winds out in Paint Rock. I'll be back in a few more minutes to give you an idea if this is going to continue through the weekend and discuss more potential strong thunderstorms in our forecast coming up.
All right, Mike, thank you. We'll check back in.
We have a severe thunderstorm warning ongoing through 6:30 for parts of Knox County. I'll give you a close look at radar and let you know how the rest of the evening is going to turn out. That's on the way with your weather forecast.
Curious how that work week is going to start out, Mike.
Yeah, Katie, this week we are going to have some changes come in play with a cold front that'll be here by the middle of the week, just in time to start the next month. But for right now, we have been dealing with thunderstorms. Been tracking them all afternoon, some of them getting severe, especially back towards 75, and those are gone now, but we still have an ongoing severe thunderstorm warning for parts of Knox County. And this is through 6:30 due to the potential for torrential rain in a short amount of time that could lead to localized flooding, but we also have had some lightning pick up a little bit and gusty winds that are possible to 40 to 50 miles an hour, maybe even surpassing that in some isolated areas. But there's also a potential for some small hail. Although I haven't had any reports of that, there's still a potential that some of these storms could produce some small hail, so just be aware. We do have thunderstorms, heavy downpours in Knox County, passing over the river, moving northward, maybe getting up to Corryton if this holds together. A lot of times these have been fizzling out pretty quickly. They've been developing, maybe staying active around 30 minutes and then die down, so we'll continue to track it and watch it. Seymour, just out on the outskirts of the heaviest rain that's moving on. Kodak, if you look off to your west, you probably see those dark clouds there. So I hope you're enjoying your day there. I think a lot of you there in Kodak and southward towards Sevierville will miss that one, but we have a few other spotty showers developing down toward Gatlinburg in the higher elevations. Here's a time lapse, show you what it looked like in Gatlinburg over the past 8 hours. Clouds built, and we had sunshine this morning, and then as they continued to build and get darker, we've had a few of those spotty showers around. In Pigeon Forge, similar story. I watched a pretty good shower douse the mountains there off in the distance. That since has moved on. It's 86 degrees for you in Pigeon Forge right now, 70 for Dew Point, so it still feels a little muggy. But at least our temperatures have come down from their highs, which got up to around the low 90s. 92 was our official high, and that was around 2:30. But at this hour, our numbers have come down because of the numerous clouds and also because of the rain. Still 90 in La Follette, though. They're not benefiting. But places where they did get soaked out towards Sweetwater, 74, Rockwood, 78, Tellico Plains, you're at 80. And it's in the mid-80s back toward Pigeon Forge and Dandridge. Maynardville, not far from La Follette, 3 degrees shy. Tomorrow, our heat indices are going to be just about as high as they were today. It's going to feel more like the mid-90s to start your week. But it should get better as we go through the week, although the heat won't be knocked down much, the humidity will. Rain chances will be going up though. Monday we have a 30% chance for some isolated afternoon showers and storms. Tuesday into Tuesday evening is when we have the highest possibility for storms to roll in. Futurecast revealing everything dying down just after sunset. Overnight tonight it'll be pretty quiet. We could have some patchy fog in some of the areas that got rain, and then another round of isolated showers, perhaps a thunderstorm, mainly in the higher elevations. Some of those could drift into the valley, but you can see this front that's coming in. Showers and storms developing along that, maybe moving in. There's a potential for some of those getting severe too. Patches of fog overnight tonight down to 70. And then for your day on Monday, we'll hit a high of 90 degrees again. It'll feel hotter and we'll have those isolated afternoon showers and storms. This week, our temperatures come down a little bit, but not much due to that cold front. And then they shoot back up again. But at least for the game day, it's looking good. Very normal for this time of the year.